Hello friends, welcome to our channel Khatri Steno. Subscribe our channel for more dictations on daily basis.
Start. Bearing in mind the above principles laid down, existence of an error on the face of the record is sine qua non for review of an order. Interestingly, it is not only the commoners who belong to either of the two groups, but intelligentsia is also equally divided. There have been number of articles in favor of or against Aadhaar. Those in favor see Aadhaar project as ushering the nation into a regime of good governance, advancing socio-economic rights, economic prosperity, etc., and they claim that it may make the nation a world leader. We clarify that we have not been influenced by such views expressed either in favor or against Aadhaar. Those opposing Aadhaar are apprehensive that it may excessively intrude into the privacy of citizenry and has the tendency to create a totalitarian state. It is required to have posture of calmness coupled with objective examination of the issues on the touchstone of the provisions. Before we go into the premise on which the attack is laid on Aadhaar Act, it would be apposite to take note of the events in chronological order. There is a clear need for creating an identity-related resident database, and it is regardless of whether the database is created on de novo collection of data or is based on an already existing data. Additionally, there is critical need to create database and be responsible for its maintenance and updating. The next meeting is to consider topics relating to collating national population register. A series of meetings took place thereafter to work out the modalities of the program. Certain issues were raised therein, and to address those issues, a committee of secretaries was formed. In the meanwhile, it is restrained from transferring any biometric information of any person who has been allotted the Aadhaar to any other agency without his consent in writing. More so, no person shall be deprived of any service for want of Aadhaar if he or she is otherwise eligible or entitled. All the authorities are directed to modify their forms or circulars so as to not compulsorily require the Aadhaar in order to meet the requirement of the interim order passed by this court forthwith. Law does not have to provide for complete coverage of taxpayers who may be indulging in financial fraud but may envisage degrees of harm and act on that basis. In this context, the Aadhaar is being mandated for all individual assessees. This is applicable to natural persons as well as persons who together constitute legal persons. They can be partners or members of a company, and hence it provides significant coverage to weed out duplicate PANs and reduce the incidence of financial and tax frauds through these means. Aadhaar's inclusion into PAN is meant to curb tax evasion and sham transactions which are carried out on account of bogus PANs. Biometric identification has been hailed as the most sophisticated system by the World Bank. It eliminates inequality between honest taxpayers and dishonest ones who get away without paying taxes. It bolsters equality.